My second film was with Akshay sir. My first meeting with him, I was so intimidated because I had a protein shake in my hand. He gave me like a lecture on how, like, you know, we youngsters, we are crazy and we don't really value our health. Taapsee and I had done a film called Sandhya. I was very, very nervous, and also because, you know, there was a lot of chatter about maybe old actors being cast. Usually, लोग बहुत judge करते हैं अगर कोई cosmetic surgery या, you know, external help लेना चाहता है. I think उनकी जिंदगी है, उनकी body है, उनका चेहरा, उनकी मर्जी.
Filmy Mirchi presents Dabur Amla Aloe Vera What Women Want, co-powered by Tirupati Edible Oils.
हेलो एंड वेलकम टू डाबर आमला एलोवेरा व्हाट विमेन वांट ऑन फिल्मी मिर्ची. आज हम बात कर रहे हैं अबाउट परफॉर्मेंस प्रेशर, और इस टॉपिक पर बात करने के लिए आई हैव इनवाइटेड एन एक्टर हु इज अ powerhouse of talent. Please welcome climate warrior and very versatile actor Bhumi Pednekar. Hi Bhumi.
Thank you so much for that lovely introduction. I am so excited and you're looking lovely.
No, I mean, like, right now I'm like so huge, but like, yeah, now what do I do? This is it. But Bhumi, let's start from the beginning. Most actors transform for a role much later in their careers. मगर तुमने अपनी debut film में ही weight gain कर लिया, which was quite commendable, you know. So did you feel an added pressure to deliver in your second film, as in lose that weight and just kind of, you know, get your game going?
I don't think people were giving me that pressure. I feel that's something that I kind of took upon myself. It was more self-inflicted, and thank God for that. You know, I was very clear after Dum Laga Ke Haisha that if I don't want to be stereotyped and if I want to do versatile work, I have to knock off the weight because that was not my natural being, right? I'd done it for the film, and I just had blinders on and I went on to this journey. It took me like about 6-7 months, and I had it off. And my second film was with Akshay sir. So anyways, he's such a fitness freak, and you know, he's like all about health. And I remember my first meeting with him, I was so intimidated because I had a protein shake in my hand. Oh my God. Oh my God. I was traumatized because he gave me like a lecture on how, like, you know, we youngsters, we are crazy and we don't really value our health, and we are not going to really survive for long if we take like all these synthetic things. And that was again a very big lesson, but I don't want to digress.
Right. So I want to know, apart from your first film, तुम कौन सी फिल्म के रिलीज से पहले सबसे ज्यादा नर्वस थी?
जो मेरी पिछली रिलीज़ थी उसके पहले मैं बहुत दुर्गामती, उसके पहले मैं बहुत ज़्यादा नर्वस थी because, you know, it's the first time I was helming a film. But I feel apart from that, Taapsee and I had done a film called Sandhya. You know, कुछ फिल्में होती हैं जिनके साथ आप बहुत ज़्यादा attached होते हो. So Sandhya was that one film that I was like completely like, you know, I still feel like a very big part of my being is in that film. I was very, very nervous, and also because, you know, there was a lot of chatter about maybe old actors being cast, and I was like, I don't know, are we going to get completely criticized? Are people not going to like it? There was so much pressure because we both were really stepping out of our comfort zone, you know.
I know,
was,
but everyone loved the film.
Yeah, luckily, thank God for that.
But tell me, who has been your most favorite co-star to work with? Male or female? Now
okay.
You'll say everyone. And
No. I'll pick. But the thing is that I have 2 names, okay? Actually, I have 3 names. Listen, 3 names are fine.
So Bhumi, you've done like 5 movies. You can't take 3 names out of those 5 co-stars.
Okay, I think it has to be Akshay sir because he is just a blast to work with. He is just too much fun, and he's just all about happy vibes and maze se shoot karo, mazak masti karo, and also I get to learn a lot with him because he's so involved in all his films, right from the scripting to the post. So I think it's a very informative time shooting with him. And I would say in the girls, it has to be Taapsee. Again, because, you know, I think we had such a special film that we did together. And usually, you know, people think that 2 girls, they're going to fight and, you know, they're going to have like a lot of whatever issues. Taapsee and I had none. And yeah, so I think Akshay sir and Taapsee are my 2 most favorite people to work with.
Lovely. And which co-star have you felt the most performance pressure to work opposite? And what was the first move that was made? Like, you know, obviously somebody that you worked with who you've looked up to, and then, you know, you kind of broke the ice.
I think Konkona. She's such a phenomenal actor. We did a
Brilliant.
film, yeah, we did a film called Dolly Kitty और वो चमकते सितारे together. And I was very nervous because I've really admired her body of work, and she's just so natural with everything that she does, and she has a lot of spunk. Yeah, and she's a very intelligent person. So I was very intimidated by the idea of working with her. But you know what? What's lovely about actors is that, you know, our persona on screen could be whatever. But behind the camera, we all are super chill, right? We have our own set of insecurities. We worry about the same things. You know, even she was like, oh my God, what if I forget my line? Is my hair off? And that's very comforting, you know, because those are like the common experiences that you have.
So pressure on the way actors look is immensely high. So what's your opinion on getting, like, you know, cosmetic stuff done to kind of, you know, look good? Like, would you ever opt for that just to fit in kind of thing?
पता नहीं अगर मैं पता नहीं यार. See, I feel that, you know, to each his own, right? I usually लोग बहुत जज करते हैं अगर कोई कॉस्मेटिक सर्जरी या यू नो एक्सटर्नल हेल्प लेना चाहता है. आई थिंक उनकी ज़िंदगी है, उनकी बॉडी है, उनका चेहरा, उनकी मर्जी. यू नो वही चीज़ें करनी चाहिए जो आपको खुशी देती है. फिलहाल तो कोई प्लान नहीं है. अगर आगे जाके मुझे लगा कि यू नो मुझे इस चीज़ की ज़रूरत है और ये चीज़ मुझे बेटर फील कराती है मेरे बारे में या मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस हाई करती है, वाई नॉट. लेकिन मुझे ये ज़रूर लगता है दैट बीइंग एज नेचुरल as possible is the best way to be in the long run. और आजकल तो इतनी चीज़ें आ गई. अगर आपका डाइट अच्छा हो, अगर आप वर्कआउट रेगुलरली करें, आई थिंक आप एक certain way दिख सकते हैं for a very long time.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, I think like you said, look at Akshay, the way he's looking, like, you know, it's just exercise and eating right. So yeah, I don't think anyone should opt for that.
Yeah.
Now, there are times where we want it all, but it doesn't always work out. So in our Dabur Amla Aloe Vera Want It All moment, tell me about a time where you wanted it all. Like, you've always wanted, you know, whether it's, I don't know, a particular film or a particular role that you wanted to be a part of, and you actually got it.
You know, honestly, I had my want it all moment the day Dum Laga Ke Haisha happened to me. Because this is all I ever wanted, right? Like, I did not know the probability of my dream actually coming true. Like, उसके chances कितने थे? मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं था. मेरे तो दिमाग में था कि मैं एक्टर बनना चाहती हूँ. लेकिन जिस दिन मैंने वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन किया और जिस दिन मुझे बोला गया, यू नो, आपको हम दम लगा के हाइशा में कास्ट कर रहे हैं, that has to be my want it all moment. Because
of course,
there was nothing and there is nothing that I wanted more than my first film.
That's just amazing, na? That feeling of like, yeah, and especially if you wanted to, did you always want to act?
Always. I always wanted to act, and you know, I had people around me that didn't necessarily understand कि यार ये कैसे बनेगी, right? ये कैसे होगा? And then I just kept looking for every small opportunity, and that's how my first job in YRF happened. You know, I was assisting. I was a assistant casting director, and then one thing led to the other. It was 4 years of assisting, doing every kind of odd job possible because I just wanted to be a part of the system. And I was a bright girl. I was always very confident that, you know, it will happen. I just didn't think it would happen with a YRF film. You know, that was something that really took me by surprise.
But now that you mentioned it, you were a casting director yourself. So obviously tell our listeners that actually जो बातें बाहर निकलती है कि, you know, क्या सच में इतना बुरा है? Is there a casting couch?
Honestly, मैंने काफ़ी साल काम किया और मैंने बहुत young age पे काम किया है, you know, और you know, parents के हिसाब से अगर आप casting कर रहे हो, that's the big bad side of Bollywood, right? पर मैंने वो कभी नहीं देखा. मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी कि exist नहीं होता है, because जिन लोगों के experiences हुए हैं, मैं उनको null नहीं करना चाहूँगी, because that will be very insensitive and incorrect, because you know there are women that have gone through like really hard experiences. But is it a bad world? Not at all. You know, I feel films and the fraternity that we have, it's the most giving, caring, nurturing space.
Of course, absolutely. But obviously, since we're talking about performance pressure, I want to know, what is Bhumi Pednekar's breathe easy solution when you feel super pressured?
When I feel extremely pressurized, I go for a workout.
Okay.
It's the only thing that clears my head out. And
really?
Yeah, I get damn anxious, you know, and usually when I'm on a film set, I'm the happiest, okay? I have no I don't feel the pressure. I'm very happy. I
Yeah,
love.
you don't want to do anything. You just want to be on a movie set.
Exactly. It's my happy place. But if I'm off a film set and, I'm going through like whatever, maybe hormones, maybe pressure, or maybe just like whatever it is that I'm facing, I go for a walk, I go for a run, I go work out. It just like sorts me out. Workout is more therapeutic to me than like पतले होने के लिए मैं कर रही हूँ. नहीं, मैं सिर्फ mental exercise के लिए करती हूँ.
So now name an actor who you think feels the least amount of performance pressure.
I think Ayushmann, because he's quite a natural. He's quite like, I've never seen him really go crazy about his lines or ever. Only like once we were shooting for Bala and he has like these long ass monologues in the film. तो तब मैं उसको देखती थी, अपनी लाइनें याद करता था, पर उसके अलावा he's quite chill. He's quite like instinctive with his work.
Lovely. We're living in times of social media, and this year we got to see a lot of celebrities because of the lockdown, cleaning and cooking, and I don't know, like banana breads were being baked, babies were being made, lots of things. But I want to know how Bhumi Pednekar. So many things have happened, in celebrities' lives this year. But what is your रसोई से रिश्तों तक moment?
मेरा रसोई से रिश्ता ये है कि उस रसोई में जो खाना पकता है मुझे वो खाना बहुत पसंद है. That's about it.
But you were not like doing the banana bread and all that.
नहीं, I did it and it was actually quite good. लेकिन banana bread ही एक ऐसी लौती चीज़ थी जो बहुत अच्छी थी because I love मीठा. Okay, I love मीठा and in the lockdown बहुत मुश्किल था. तो मैंने खुद की cravings पूरी करने के लिए banana bread और मैं थोड़े cake वेक बनाए. Obviously all were gluten free, super healthy and वो जो भी ingredients घर पे available थे हमने मतलब सब खत्म कर दिए थे.
Well, anyway, it's that moment where you get to ask me the question that you wanted to ask me.
Babeology, empowered by Bumble.
So I'm sure you and Saif fight, right? All couples do. So I want to know, whenever in the past you both have fought, who has made the first move? Who kind of calls it truce?
I think Saif. He's a good guy like that. He's always like, he's the one to irritate me, but he's the first one to say sorry also. So
and do you cave in easy?
I think so, because normally, honestly, touch would be fighting over the most stupid things. Right now, we're like shifting home to a new home, so we're having a lot of issues about the house. कि इसको क्या रखना है, कब जाना है, कहाँ जाना है, how do we do this, So I think very, very, normal, stupid issues kind of thing. So yeah, I always give in.
Chalo. Yeah, that was my question. I always wondered.
Yeah, but like now, I think every couple just has that, that one odd thing.
Yeah.
But thank you for taking out this time in this short and sweet interview.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Hi guys, उम्मीद है आपको फिल्मी मिर्ची पर मेरा शो पसंद आ रहा हो. If you don't want to miss an episode, you need to subscribe to फिल्मी मिर्ची and hit the bell icon. और हाँ, मैं सारे comments पढ़ती हूँ तो please do comment below. And ये शो रेडियो पर भी आता है on these frequencies.
What Women Want, presented by Dabur Amla Aloe Vera, co-powered by Tirupati Oil, social networking partner Bumble, decor partner Berger Silk Breathe Easy.